than in the rest of the country. On the other hand, many rural and regional areas struggle to deliver quality services and infrastructure to their residents. The lack of connectivity, both physical and digital, can hinder the development of firms and limit access to employment opportunities across these regions. On average, 1 in 3 rural households across the OECD still don't have access to high-speed broadband. Similar gaps can be found across public services. Students from rural areas achieve lower reading outcomes relative to those living in cities. Travel times to healthcare facilities can be up to 5 times longer in remote rural areas than in cities. Close to a third of rural residents in OECD countries report health problems that keep them from doing things they think people their age normally do, compared to a quarter of city residents. And 40% of remote regions across the OECD saw their population decline between 2001 and 2021, further heightening risks of economic decline, underinvestment, and a lack of competitiveness. The good news is that there are many examples where countries have been able to turn these trends around. Finland, Norway, Germany, the Netherlands, and New Zealand are some examples of countries that have succeeded in narrowing gaps between their regions. This edition of the Regional Outlook proposes a roadmap to help lagging regions catch up while sustaining prosperity in the most dynamic regions. First, by facilitating access to key public services, both online and in person. Public services, including access to high-quality education, healthcare, and administrative services, such as licensing and permits, are essential to develop human capital and economic growth potential. Ensuring timely and easy access to high-quality services requires attracting and retaining skilled public service professionals, especially in rural and remote areas. France has more than 1,000 maisons de service au public, which bring together many physical services in a single location to help tackle unequal access in rural or comparatively remote regions. In Australia, the Workforce Incentive Program